Panamera comes equipped standard with a programmable key. There are two different ways to program this key. One is a long press and hold on the key, and you'll see a pop-up that comes up that says Change Button Assignment. Select that on the PCM. Here's a long list of vehicle settings in which you can assign to the programmable key. Let's do level lift. Another way to assign a feature to your programmable key is through the Settings menu, Vehicle. Here you can see the steering wheel quick access button. Select that, and you can select a different setting. You can now use your programmable key to access a wide variety of vehicle settings in your new Panamera.